everyone. Me, it's a Friday, and you know, there's someone ringing my doorbell, knocking, banging my door. And if you see that, in the
Hi!
in the very thunderstorm season, rainy
Dari
thunderstorm
desu
season,
ka?
which is like the horror of my story of that day. But you know, this afternoon, there's someone ringing again, and of course I answer him who he is, because I'm not expecting any more package, because the package that I expect is already delivered. So, but I'm talking with Mika Chang, and maybe she or he knows who I'm with on my phone talking. And yeah, she disappeared, I don't know who he is. If sino ka man, I'm not, don't play with me because I'm not playing.
Hi, dari desu ka?
And only I can say is, don't scared of me because I'm not scared of you. And I'm not joking, no? If you're just a psychopathic doing this to me,
Dari
only
desu
I know
ka?
I never do harm to other people. Wala akong ginawang masama sa ibang tao. At only I know, wala akong inagabyadong ibang tao. Wala akong sinasaktan ibang tao. If this mga stupid akong mga haters, ng mga loser, no? Hindi kayo makamove on sa akin, move on yung mga sarili dahil ako hindi mo ako ganito at kung sino man kayo, I don't know who you are, but I don't want to judge, but you know, please leave me alone, because you know, I'm happy of my life. If you're not happy, okay, punta ka na doon sa lugar kung saan ka bagay, because you know, you cannot play, dahil hindi mo ako matatakot, dahil hindi ako natatakot, okay? So, takutin mo sarili mo, wag ako, dahil you cannot scare me, okay? And don't waste your time to came here, to ring my doorbell, to knock my door. I'm not crazy like you. And I'm not stupid like you. And I'm not awkward like you. Huh? Go to the place where you belong. Okay? Not me. Because I'm a very, very happy person. Okay? So don't me. I tell you. You cannot scare me. I'm not coward like you. I tell you. Don't worry. One day I know who you are. Don't worry. Go to Hall. Okay? And you're a biatch. And this is my day. And this is, if you are watching me, stalker, joker, you're such a joker in me. Okay? You're such a joker in me. You know? If you do this to fun with me, or what you're thinking, no, you're not funny. You're just like a clown, bored clown in me. You're just a crazy, psychopathic, coward, not good person. Okay? So don't me. I'm not coward as like you. If you think that you came under my bell and you are not coward, you're just a coward.